You will also require the inserts for the Euro cushions. These are the biggest ones. That you were saying, Sherry, really ground the bed. And if you don't have a headboard,
headboard.
You actually made my Euro cushions for me, and you know what? They look amazing, and they're the best ones in the pillow fights.
Thank you. Yeah, oh, they certainly are. I'm sure they are. So this is them, and you get 2 of them. One of them normally goes between I'd say if you're out there between $18 and $22 per piece, you're getting 2 of them, and they fit perfectly because it's quintessential that you get the right inserts for your Euro cushions. I have seen people put old velvet cushions that are lumpy and clumpy, and I'm like,
you've seen
what
everything,
is it?
girl.
Oh, I've seen it all in the business. I'm saying, what is that in there? Oh, they're the old velvet pillows. They're the cushions off of my couch. I've seen stuffed animals been put in here. You name it, I've seen it. I've seen some really strange things. I don't want to go there, but you see how it makes a difference when you put the right things in it, because it stands up straight, it stands full, and that's what you want. It's going to last a very long time. And again, so easy to insert with the flap. You just lift it off, put it in, and take it off and put it in the washer when you're finished.
So this is a set of 2. They're 100% polyester fill. They're 25 by 25, designed to comfortably fit the Euroshams of our today's showstopper. And keep in mind, if you've got other Euroshams, and you know the size is 25 by 25, I believe it is quite a standard size, you're good to go there, and they are made in Canada.